Today, we are going to tour 945 East Granada Road in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. Welcome to this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home nestled in the heart of Phoenix. This centrally located gem offers a cozy and inviting atmosphere. As you step inside the main house, notice the charming and inviting atmosphere with the entry room's fireplace and built-in shelving. French doors lead to the first bedroom, while archways welcome you into the kitchen and pantry. The kitchen has a warm feel with stone counters, wood cabinetry, brick accents, and pendant lighting. The primary suite is spacious, boasting a dual-vanity bathroom and oversized walk-in closet with custom built-in shelving. The guest bathroom features upgraded tile work to match the primary suite, along with a walk-in shower. And as you can see, the additional bedrooms provide ample space, perfect for any tenant. Large windows throughout the home fill the space with natural light. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. One of the standout features of this property is the guest Casita, complete with a bonus living space, a separate kitchenette, and an additional laundry room. Both the front and rear yards feature low-maintenance landscaping. The rear yard is expansive, providing lots of outdoor space. Additionally, you can enjoy the beautiful Arizona weather from your front porch. Thank you for watching today's tour of this beautiful home.